Hello everyone. Welcome. Today we're exploring some intriguing ideas about the potential for daily life in outer space. Researchers have identified 7 stars that might be surrounded by advanced alien megastructures. Yes, you heard that right. Alien structures. Stick with me. The theory is that highly intelligent life forms could construct massive structures around their stars or planets to harness or reuse energy. Back in the 1960s, a physicist proposed this concept. If these structures existed, they would emit a lot of infrared radiation, making them detectable by scientists on Earth. Recently, researchers found 7 sources emitting unusual amounts of infrared radiation with no clear explanation. This could suggest they are alien structures or perhaps something else entirely. Space is fascinating and often mind-boggling. The professor explains Dyson spheres for us.
A Dyson sphere is a theoretical structure that could capture energy from a star. Imagine solar panels that could harness all the energy emitted by our sun. This concept, inspired by science fiction, suggests a network of satellites or structures orbiting a star to collect energy.
What do you think about this study? Could these be Dyson spheres?
It's very unlikely, but scientists need to remain open-minded. If we assume we know the answer before investigating, we're already at a disadvantage. It's exciting to consider, but we'll probably find a natural explanation for these infrared signals. Many things in space emit heat, so we must consider all possibilities.
If a highly advanced civilization built such a structure, it would emit a lot of infrared radiation, which we might detect.
What natural explanations could there be?
These signals could come from very young stars with leftover material around them, similar to how planets form. It might also be an entire galaxy in the distance behind the star, or, a planetary collision. We're only looking at stars within 1,000 light-years, which is close in cosmic terms.
The Milky Way is 100,000 light-years across, and there are likely more planets than stars in our galaxy, possibly hundreds of billions or even trillions. Life elsewhere in the galaxy seems almost inevitable, but whether any species have advanced far enough to build a Dyson sphere is another matter.
Do you think there's a chance Dyson spheres exist, or is it purely sci-fi?
It's feasible, but unlikely. Considering our advancements since the Industrial Revolution, we're still in a precarious position with challenges like climate change and nuclear threats. It's uncertain if any species could survive long enough to develop the technology for a Dyson sphere. However, some optimists believe it's possible.